This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jana Deneau. Beautiful single-family home located in Tuscany Cove, available as a short-term rental. This 3-bedroom plus den offers stainless steel appliances, tile floors in kitchen, baths and laundry with carpeting in bedrooms, large lanai with pool overlooking the lake. Master bedroom offers a king bed, guest bedroom queen and second guest bedroom twin beds. Tuscany Cove is located just south of Immokalee Road off of Collier Blvd, close to shopping, dining I-75 and only a short drive to Naples beaches. Amenities include billiards, fitness center, card room, media room, social room, children's room, Olympic pool/spa, 2 tennis courts, 2 kickball courts and a half basketball court. For more information, review the details below or contact Jana Deneau at 954-693-0100.